Hello guys, welcome to my video. Let's unbox today this Amaran Studio Light that I got from Amazon. So this is the version 60X. So you have 2700 kelvins to 6500 kelvins, right? I just got it and I still don't know what's in the box. So let me just remove this sleeve here. And here we go. And that's the box. It comes here with a plastic. Let's just open up. That way it's better. And here we go. That's what I have inside. So here is the light itself. Really good. Okay, everything protected here with some plastic for protection. And here cables. So it comes some cables. Of course, power supply. And something else. Oh, here is the charger. Okay, for the batteries. And here, oh, a diffusion. Something for light diffusion. Also interesting. And what else? Some silica gel here. And here, a mount for this device. Okay, so I need a tripod to use this one to connect to the light and mount it, right? So pretty good. It's just a quick unbox, so I'm going to understand more how it works, and then I'm gonna make a different video talking about more details on this Amaran. Okay, this is the Amaran 60X, and this is my unbox. I hope you like it.